Welcome back to News Info. One of the actor that is with Junior Pope when this thing happen have finally say something. I want you to hear wetin him talk, wetin happen for inside that place. Watch the video.
My name is TC Okafor. I'm a Nollywood actor. First of all, I want to thank God for saving my life because it's not easy. The way I don't know how I came out from that boat, understand? But the only thing I thank God for is that I came out alive with some of the crew members, like Sean Israel, Ogolo, one of my colleagues, Scooby-Doo. When he came, when they go down the river, mo come out. Impact in motor. When they go down the river, mo come out. So, insane person make it buy him drink. One hero and one tiger. One hero before I say one with tiger because he and DOP they come from downhill. I first then go down. He can say they come. Say make the person bring the drink. He don't give person money. We wait there for the person. No see. He come down the hill again. Can't enter boat. The next thing the person carry one black bath, carry that to alcohol. Then give the DOP, collect one. They come the drink. As they come the drink, since we will start this job, I always sit down for front. I know they like sit down for. I don't see where boat can say. I know they like sit down for that. I always like hold that rope. It's very, it's very important to me that the rope now do me all this small scratch. Now the fan of the boat now do me this thing. So I did for that front. They were making a video, and I say make everybody put phone for pocket. Make everybody put phone for pockets. The DOP was wearing a jacket and the director was wearing a life jacket. Only two of them wear life jackets. So JP then said that me I did for the mouth of the boat, bend down. We can't they go. But before I entered the boat, I carry my Fanta while I buy. Pour for the boat. First thing when Junior Pope asked me to, what do they do? At last I observe water people. I know they feel pass without sharing something. I don't give them Fanta beg. I don't want any bad thing to happen to me. I know like water. So he say not true, not true. We enter, they sit down. That time we don't go, JP don't make video. The boat guy was wearing an earpiece. I think he was playing the music and JP was doing video. So he was focusing for his head to come out on the video. And I was in the front. I see one small canoe. These people were the fishermen. At the time I say, see canoe. This thing like canoe like this now, where they move. The canoe, that guy, if he get experience, if for just do like this, but he no get the experience. The first thing we in jam na the last point of the canoe, the boat. Somersaulted. But because I was holding that rope, where we say a boat packed for dry ground, where they use hold for ground, now that rope, now I hold, they save that girl, Scooby-Doo girl. Where they save, where me and they push them off. See me when no they enter swimming pool, I know sabi swim. Nothing. That was it. Every of my phone, sports, everything. That is why I'm not online. Nothing.
As you can't come out, I say they want to arrest you.
As I can't come out, me and Sean Israel, being the props guy, we've been back in motor to see. With me, Sean Israel, and that girl, with Ogolo, then everybody came out. But when boats come, I couldn't, the trauma was too much. I tell one of the boats, I beg, carry me across, come up for this water first. Mission Israel with that girl where I say we can't come on Scooby-Doo girl. I can't come on, Sean can't say no feed here. They drive motor, go. When we were then going, the thing no green me. I have to turn back. All one of my friends, understand, where I get a number.
Which race school now? Which boat? Boat where they pass?
Boat where they pass. You know say a boat move. You know say river they open. Understand? If you decide waiting they happen for up. So now those people will sight from that place will take off and then they come with boats. Concept by then I was already getting weak. I'm tired of holding that thing because that girl too they try hold me, make I survive. Me when no service swim, I they hold the rope, the girl they hold me. So two of us for go. I came out. I went to take tetanus injection in my hand because that water was very bad and treat the mouth of this thing. And ever young, now tracked me. Now say make we go back to the river. When I got there, I saw a lot of people. I saw my colleague Kevin Nuvo. I saw a lot of people. I saw Adam Maluk. By that time, Adam Maluk don't reach. The next thing, as we don dey there finish, I tell them, say, see wetin happen, see wetin happen. As I wan go up, one boy rush call me, say, police people dey call me. I say,
That's after the accident.
after the accident don happen, they say police.
And they never see Junior Popo.
They never. Na me even first go police station, go report for police station, see wetin happen for Marine police station when me and Shani Israel came out. Na we rush go report for there because na there we park motor. They come dey say why film people dey always do this thing. Say they don tell us anytime we will come, make we come rent jacket for their station before we dey enter that water because they be Marine police. Say but because of our stinginess, say we no dey even come carry them with some divers. Na because of our stinginess, if we come, we go think say we go fit make am alone, we will go. So there, na me and Sean come drive. Where I call my guy. But Sean was having a second phone wey he no carry inside the motor. So he come call my guy. He come instantly. As my guy came, I got him, I beg carry me go back. I won't go down Marine. I know if you say my heart no fit rest if I no go there. Say this person na my colleague. Omo, as I dey come there talk wetin happen finish, make I go. The boy tell me say police people dey come here. I say make any police wey wan see me, say my head now dey shake. Make they come see me here while I sit down. The next thing the policeman came say that they have to take me to Onitsha, to Marine Genewa extension to Onitsha with boat. I say with boat wey God just rescue my life. I come out. He wants to carry me with boat to go there. They say no, they have a life jacket for me. I say it be like say something they worry.
Who tell them they arrest you?
Now that man look. Tell them say na me cause because as I come out, the boat guy don dey lie. Say I stand up for the boat. That is why he no see road. Are you a madman? As I sleep like this, I stand for mouth of boat. Now you no see road. Are you okay? You will be a pilot. Where the pilot boats. It's crazy.
So after the accident, they never even see Junior Pope. Adam say they arrest you.
They never even see Junior Pope that time. Oh. They never even see Junior Pope. Now verse my guys come they talk. After I leave this, the policeman will come they shout for him. That was how I left the place. Before my chairman man came to carry me to the hospital, say we'll go do scan for night yesterday. That was it. So I'm totally disappointed, and as this point now, I want to officially say this: I am no longer an actor. I've survived so many times. I know how many times because of this stupid business. How much they pay me? How much did they pay me? I know how many times I don't survive. I know how many times they don't give me poison when nobody hear. I know how many times I don't get car accidents because of Nollywood. When I know if you kill me, my head too strong. When I know if you kill me, I don't want to be an actor. Let me focus on my comedy. If you love me, you want to support everything what they do, come to my Facebook page and see me. I don't care. Make everybody hold their script. Make a day. No only me, my mama get. I no get brother. I no get sister.
Please drop your own opinion for inside comment section. What do you think about this our brother is talking? And let us know what you think for this way talk for inside this place. Thank you. Share the video.